Join me as I take on the challenge of ditching these 7 white foods for an entire week to see how it transforms my health. Today we're talking about the negative impact of certain white foods on our health and some healthier alternatives we can make to improve our well-being. I'm sure you've heard the saying white foods are bad for you, and while that's partially true, it's not entirely accurate. Not all white foods are created equal, and some are actually quite nutritious. However, there are certain white foods that can have detrimental effects on our health if consumed excessively. The problem is, many of us are unaware of the specific health issues that arise from consuming these foods on a regular basis. We know they're not great for us, but we often don't take the time to understand the specifics. For example, did you know that consuming high amounts of refined white flour can lead to insulin resistance and a higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes? Or that eating large amounts of white rice can cause a spike in your blood sugar levels? It's not just about cutting out entire food groups, it's about being mindful of the foods we're eating and choosing healthier options whenever possible. So, let's dive into the 7 white foods we should ditch for a healthier us. First up, we have white bread. White bread is made from refined flour that has been stripped of its nutrients, leaving us with a food that's essentially empty calories. A healthier alternative is whole grain bread, which contains fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Next, we have pasta. Like white bread, pasta is made from refined flour and can cause a spike in our blood sugar levels. Try switching to whole grain pasta, or even better, zucchini noodles or spiralized vegetables. Third, we have white rice. White rice is another refined carbohydrate that can cause insulin resistance and a higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. A healthier alternative is brown rice, which contains fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fourth, we have sugar. Sugar is a major contributor to many health problems, including obesity, insulin resistance, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Try reducing your sugar intake or switching to natural sweeteners like honey or stevia. Fifth, we have salt. While some amount of salt is necessary for our bodies, excessive consumption can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Try using herbs and spices to add flavor to your food instead of salt. Sixth, we have milk. While milk can be a nutritious part of our diet, many of us are lactose intolerant or have dairy allergies. A healthier alternative is plant-based milk like almond, soy, or coconut milk. Lastly, we have eggs. While eggs can be a nutritious part of our diet, many of us are not aware of the added ingredients like preservatives and fillers. Try switching to organic, free-range eggs or egg alternatives like tofu scramble. I want to share a shocking statistic with you. Did you know that according to the American Heart Association, the average American consumes over 20 pounds of white sugar per year? That's staggering. By cutting out these 7 white foods, we can significantly reduce our sugar intake and improve our overall health. I can attest to the positive changes I experienced after ditching these white foods for a week. My energy levels increased, my skin cleared up, and I felt more focused and alert. The best part is, it's not about depriving ourselves of the foods we love, it's about making healthier choices that benefit our overall well-being. So, to recap, ditching these 7 white foods can have a significant impact on our health. By making healthier choices, we can improve our well-being, increase our energy levels, and reduce our risk of chronic diseases. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you had any experiences with white foods or healthier alternatives that you'd like to share? Don't forget to check out our next video on healthy eating tips and tricks.